Nice arrangement settings from the village of Tokipur. Oh, beautiful. Look at the caricature. They are all approaching to the house of, I think, to the Mollik family. Welcome. Nice. Fabulous. And that's the industrialist. How are you, bro? How are you? কোথায় যাওয়া হচ্ছে একটু বললে ভালো হয়।
আমরা যাচ্ছি আমার ছেলের এনগেজমেন্টে।
ওকে, অ্যান্ড থ্যাঙ্কস ফর দ্য এনগেজমেন্ট। তো সিস্টেমটা খুব ভালো, টেরিফিক অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট, বিউটিফুল অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট। আই স্পেশালি হ্যাটস অফ টু অল অফ ইউ। ফ্যাবিউলাস, টেরিফিক, সো নাইস টু মিট ইউ ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেইন। টেরিফিক। কোথায় যাচ্ছ? ও সুমন। ওকে, শিওরলি। নাইস attachment, beautiful. I would like to meet with Sumon, and that's the beauty. How are you? How are you? And welcome for the new live starting. Thanks a lot and welcome to Sofirana FB profile. Fantastic location and first time I ever see. It's a fantastic marriage position. Fantastic. Once again have a fantastic look. Well done, Sumon Merchant, into the new world. Thanks a lot. Look at the vehicles, all going. Beautiful. Still a lot of vehicles, lot of guests. They will attend to the Mollik villa for the marriage relation, both the relation from Mollik family and also from the another family. Thanks for watching. Thanks a lot and welcome to Sofirana FB profile.